Christy Casciano.
And I'm Rod Wood, and tonight we're getting our first insight into how big of an impact the so-called red flag law is having here in Onondaga County.
3 people have made threats so serious that a judge took away their rights to have a gun. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan tells us where it all happened.
It's just fortunate that all the vibes were just right.
Last year, John Lobsher saw red flags flying.
Looking at 2 or 3 shotguns, he wanted one that had the most capacity, and he picked one that felt good in his hands.
The Madison County gun shop owner, so suspicious over a man picking out a gun, his call to police stopped a mass shooting and resulted in the student being deported to his home of China.
We had a trove of evidence that he was intending to get a gun and shoot up students at SU.
Now, the district attorney has the same power and burden of that gun shop owner, as do police officers, school administrators, and any family member of someone making threats, the red flags.
Drug and alcohol abuse, history of domestic violence, history of violating orders of protection, threatening behavior, verbal or physical, social media, text messages, anything else that you can fall into that rather large kettle.
Since the law went into effect in August, 7 people in Onondaga County have been questioned about their right to own a gun after their red flags were reported to a judge. In 3 cases, the right was taken away.
This is just something that is common sense, especially after Parkland, where you got Nicholas Cruz, who's telling anybody that'll listen to him that I'm going to shoot up the school, and yet nobody did anything.
To tell where these former gun owners live, we can only go on the referring agency for each case. So for the 3 in Onondaga County, it was the Liverpool Police, so a case in Liverpool, Syracuse Police, a case in Syracuse, but the 3rd instance was a New York State Police case, so we can't tell exactly where in the county it happened. Checking other counties, Oswego County has had 2 people lose their rights to purchase guns in the future. 2 gun owners lost their weapons in Madison County, one of which the sheriff tells me was a suicidal person. In Oneida County, it was 3 cases. Christy.
Andrew, thank you. The Onondaga County District Attorney is running for re-election next month against Democratic Attorney Charles Keller and conservative Gary Levine.